Out again with the TopRC FW-190 and the P-51D. If you haven't seen these before, you get everything that you need in the box, including the AA's for the transmitter. You get the flight battery and the charge lead as well. 3 modes with these: beginner, mid and expert. So we're going to try and do some formation flying, Finn. I'll do a circuit, and then if you want to launch and join me, see if we can stay close together so Trev can keep us in the same frame. Make it easy for the cameraman.
Yeah.
You think? All right. Okay, tan launch.
Okay.
So I'm on mid mode. Here we go. So this is all we're going to do, Finn. See how slow that flies? Come on. Look at me. Stay tight. That's brilliant. Closer. On that path, as we go by the camera, super close. Turning in. Tight. That's good. And then. Lower, too high. Get low, like this. Low, like this. Okay. Don't know how I'm going faster. How you doing, Trev?
Yeah, good. I seem to be keeping them both in sharp.
That's good. Right, you lead low and slow. Yeah? In front of you. Okay. No.
You guys are definitely getting better at this.
We'll try some zoom as well.
Yeah.
Oh, really low this one. Oh, you're way low. Then. You've got to try and use less throttle, Finn.
I'm just trying to have enough power to keep up with you.
Yeah, okay, back off power now. Throttle are you using?
I don't think he knows what throttle is. No, it's
Power.
a on-off switch for him.
That's half power.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah, I'm at half power now. I'm at around 1 quarter. That shows how much power you can slide with that. Yeah, I'm at around 1/3 power.
All right, synchronised landing. Come on, catch up. Catch up.
Okay.
We're going to land it off just on the other side of the fence. Ready? Come on, catch up. Catch up. Catch up. Hey!
And you're down.
I lost my
Just retrieving. And the great thing with these is if you knock the prop off, which you invariably will do if you've got the landing gear isn't attached, you just pop it back on. Right, Finn?
Yeah.
So there we go, that's the FW-190 and the P-51D Mustang from our friends at TopRC Hobby. Really enjoy these. Link is in the video description and the pinned comment. But you enjoy that, Finn?
Yes.
Great fun. We'll be back soon on Essential RC. Cheers, bye.
Adios.